In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debloat Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. First, let's uninstall unnecessary apps. Click the Start menu, then open Settings. On the left side, select Apps, click Installed Apps, scroll through the list of installed programs. Click the three dots next to any app you no longer need. Select Uninstall, follow the prompts to remove the application. Removing unused apps helps free up storage space and reduces background activity. Next, let's disable startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps tab. Review the list of programs that start automatically with Windows. Right-click any startup app you don't need. Select Disable. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can improve boot time and overall system performance. Now let's turn off suggested content and ads. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Start. Turn off options such as Show Recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. Show recently added apps if you don't use it. Show recently opened items if you don't need it. This reduces promotional content and recommendations throughout Windows. Next, let's disable background apps. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Click the three dots beside an app. Select Advanced Options if available. Under Background App Permissions, choose Never. Repeat this for apps you do not need running in the background. This reduces memory usage and can improve battery life on laptops. Next, let's turn off widgets. Right-click the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Turn widgets off. These features can consume system resources even when you are not actively using them. Now let's clean temporary files. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage. Click Temporary Files. Select the files you want to remove, then click Remove Files. This helps recover disk space and removes unnecessary system clutter. Now for an advanced method, let's disable unnecessary services. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, then press Enter. Open the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services. This is important so you don't accidentally disable essential Windows services. Now review the remaining third-party services. Disable services from programs you no longer use or need. Click Apply, then click OK. Be careful not to disable services required by software you regularly use. Finally, restart your computer. Restarting applies all the changes and helps Windows run more efficiently. These steps help debloat Windows 11 by removing unnecessary apps, reducing startup items, disabling background activity, freeing up storage space, and improving overall system performance. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.